Welcome to our channel. If you want to check the status of your Delta flight using the Delta mobile app, follow these step-by-step instructions to stay updated on departure times, gate changes, and delays. Step 1. Download the Delta app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you do not already have it installed. Step 2. Open the Delta app on your smartphone and log in to your SkyMiles account, or continue as a guest. Step 3. On the home screen, tap the My Trips section to view your upcoming flights. Step 4. If you have an upcoming trip, it will appear automatically. Tap on the flight to see detailed information. Step 5. If you do not see your flight listed, tap Flight Status on the home screen to search for any Delta flight manually. Step 6. Enter the flight number or departure and arrival cities along with the travel date. Step 7. Tap Search to retrieve the flight status information, including gate number, departure time, and arrival time. Step 8. Review the flight details and check for any updates or changes. The app will send you push notifications if there are any delays or gate changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.